Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need three things first: an active roaming plan, a working SIM or eSIM, and the phone's cellular toggles ready. Open Settings, tap Cellular, enable cellular data, then flip data roaming on. Once done, watch for carrier settings update and install it. This ensures proper network handoffs. You should restart the iPhone after enabling roaming so the carrier registers correctly. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is on for initial setup. Then proceed to network selection. Now configure how your iPhone connects. You can leave network selection on automatic or manually pick a carrier if roaming isn't connecting. Manual selection forces a specific network. Next, go to cellular data options and choose voice and data. Select LTE to reduce cost or 5G for speed. Also enable low data mode and restrict background app refresh to avoid surprise charges. You can toggle data per app in settings cellular. Once set, monitor the connection and move to final. Finish by confirming billing and usage controls. Check settings cellular for per app usage and enable low data mode if needed. You should turn off data roaming when you no longer need it to avoid charges. If you encounter problems, try this quick fix. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then reselect the network manually. If that fails, reinstall the eSIM or contact your carrier to confirm roaming provisioning. Make sure to document times and error messages if you need support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.